What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to my spring self-care routine. I love making self-care routines for every season because I feel like it really helps me romanticize each season. As a lot of you probably know by now, I have been really focusing on just trying to romanticize every single season, whether I like the particular season or not. Spring is actually one of the good seasons for me. Honestly, I love every single season, an exception to winter, and my winter blues are pretty bad right now, so I thought it would be a good idea to just have a good self-care day and dedicated to spring. So I'm wearing my little yellow pastel sweatshirt, which is from Hollister, and then my Dairy Boy little pink sweatpants. And I feel like even though this outfit doesn't necessarily match, they're my pajamas. I just took a shower because I just got back from the gym, and it's really reminding me of those spring pastel colors. So I felt like it was an appropriate way to start off this video because we're gonna make a sweet little treat for breakfast, and I am very excited, and I'm also feeling very cozy because even though the afternoons are hitting like 50-60 degrees, the mornings are 30 degrees still, so it's a little bit chilly. So it is going to be more of like a cozy spring self-care routine, at least in the beginning of the day, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. I did get a few things from Target that I think could be good to have as a breakfast, so I'm gonna go grab those, and then we're gonna do a little bit of baking. Since I went to the gym this morning, it's a little later in the day, it's 10:30, and I really want to have something sweet because that's what I'm craving. And on my self-care days, I try to prioritize things that are going to make me happy, and like I said, my winter blues have not been the best, so just doing something that I know is gonna make my mood go from here to here is something that I really want to do. And I was in Target the other day and I saw two of these little baking treats that we can do. So I have this rainbow vanilla cake mix, which is really reminding me of spring, but I'm thinking that this probably isn't as acceptable for breakfast. Not saying that I never have cake for breakfast, because sometimes I do, but I do think that I want to make this later in the day so I'm able to enjoy two sweet treats, because there's nothing wrong with that. And I'm saying that because I also have this cinnamon roll coffee cake, and I feel like that would just pair better with coffee in the morning. So I'm thinking we're going to make this. This honestly looks so good. And another thing that really drew me to it is on the side, it literally says, "Springtime treats. Springtime brings a chance to share so many sweet delights, a delicious way to welcome sun." And that was just so calling to me because it was like the message I needed to see because of my winter blues. It just reminded me that spring is almost here, and it made me really happy. So I'm thinking we're going to make this for breakfast. Again, this is more of a sweet treat for breakfast, but I'm still considering it breakfast, and I'll have some like strawberries with it just to add in a little bit of nutrition. And I'm very excited because I've been wanting to make this for so long. Also, I just went outside because I had to let the dogs out, and it's actually starting to warm up, and now I'm sweating. But let's make some cinnamon roll coffee cake. I'm about to put the cake in the oven. This smells so good. I'm so excited that I made this for breakfast because it honestly smells like the perfect breakfast sweet treat, and I'm very excited. I cannot wait. And now we bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. My coffee cake is in the oven, and now we are going to get ready for the day. There's a lot of things I want to do today, but I really want to be in a cute spring outfit while doing it. And I'm the type of person that when I am in a cute outfit, I have my makeup done, I have my scent of the day on, I just feel my best on the inside, and that makes me feel my best on the outside. So that is what we are going to do today. Basically, I'm just kind of trying to bring back my sparkle while having a little self-care day, doing the things things that make me feel my best and things that I know are going to make my mood rise, which I was explaining before. I think for me, the number one thing I learned this year and at the end of last year is that balance is key. I am someone who does really good when I'm in a routine and when I stay productive, and the second I stop that routine, I do start to fall off, just to be fully transparent with you guys. So I've been trying to learn the perfect balance of having that routine and that structure that I need, but also incorporating things into my life that are going to make me happy and are not going to stress me out, because there obviously are things that do stress me out. And this has just been something that has been really working for me. And whenever I start to have a week where I'm like, okay, I'm not feeling my best, I know exactly what I need to do to not 100% feel better, but start to feel better. Obviously, it's not going to happen overnight in most cases, but for me, I think it's really important to recognize when certain things aren't going the way I want them to and have a plan on how to fix it, if that makes sense. So that is what this video is about, and I'm very excited about it because whenever I do these types of videos, I automatically feel better throughout my day and throughout my week, and it gets me very excited for the future and romanticizing that season that I'm in. And I'm very excited for spring because I just need some warm weather. So I'm starting off getting ready by just doing my makeup. For makeup, I don't do too much makeup. I try my best to make sure that my makeup all looks blended, because for a while my face would look bright orange. Another thing I've been really liking with makeup is using bright pigment blushes, especially during the spring and summer, because it's just reminding me of those like pastel colors and really getting me into that spring spirit. And I think it blends in very nicely and just gives my cheeks a little bit of rosiness. For highlight, I honestly don't have a good highlight, so if anybody has a good highlight that I can use, please let me know. I know that this highlight looks pretty, but it's literally just eyeshadow and it doesn't stay on my face all day. So I am looking for a little bit of better highlight, even though I do really like the shimmer that this has. This is the Too Faced Apple in Love palette. I'm not sure if I want to do eyeshadow today. I feel like I'm gonna end up doing it. I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow that I just used on my cheeks for highlight, which is called Crunch Time. I really like this eyeshadow. I do want to take some photos today for a spring photo shoot, so it's probably better that I have a little bit more shimmer on my eyes so that they can pop in the photo. I actually think the pink eyeshadow in my crease looks pretty cute. Personally, I have to concentrate so much when I put on mascara because I feel like I always get it on my eyelid no matter what I do, and it's kind of annoying. I got it on my eyelid, but I have to wait for the mascara to dry before I take it off. It's not that big of a deal. I know how to get it off. It's just annoying. I think that's gonna be it for makeup. My hair is in a braid right now because I wanted it to curl, but I'm thinking I might take it out and curl it. I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see how I feel. I'm gonna let my makeup set so I can get this off my eye, and then I'll come back with a decision. I honestly still don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm gonna decide in a little bit because it honestly depends on my outfit. If I don't know what outfit I'm gonna wear, obviously it's a little bit hard for me to decide what type of hair I want to do, but I'm not leaving yet, so we have probably a few hours left, so I'm not even gonna change into my outfit yet. I'm gonna be wearing this for a little bit, and the next step in my routine would be to pick out a scent for the day, which brings me into today's sponsor, which is Dossier. I am so excited about this sponsorship. I've been wanting to work with this brand for so long. I absolutely love all of their perfumes. Something I like about Dossier is that each and every single one of their ingredients is crafted from the best ingredients sourced from Grasse, France, which is actually the perfume capital of the world, which I think is amazing, and that just goes to show you that their scent smells so good. Another thing I really like is Dossier has perfected a wide range of designer fragrances, and some could even be considered dupes, which is also so delightful. And the ones that I got today really do remind me of spring and like that floral scent. With that, they also have a scent for everybody, and they come up with their own original scents as well. Overall, I'm very excited that I now have my hands on some new Dossier perfumes, and I want to show you them. Totally forgot to even mention this, but Dossier is actually having a perfume week sale, which is amazing, and the whole entire week you can get up to 40% off on their website from March 17th until March 23rd, which is amazing. Let's get into the little haul. I will have everything that I just mentioned linked down below. I promise these perfumes will not disappoint. The first one I got is this vanilla scent. There's something about vanilla that really just reminds me of spring, and it honestly smells so good. This is what it looks like. Also, I want to mention that the packaging of these perfumes is so elegant and so pretty. Another thing I wanted to mention is that Dossier's mission was to deliver the highest quality perfumes that are luxury inspired fragrances, but at a much fairer price, which gives us the opportunity to explore all of the perfumes, and that's something I really like. This vanilla perfume has almond, ginger, and milky accord, and you guys, when I tell you it smells amazing, I'm gonna do a little sample for you guys. It honestly is reminding me of a sugar cookie or vanilla extract. Vanilla extract just smells so good for me. If you taste it, it does not, but it smells so good, and this is exactly what this is smelling like. I'm actually obsessed with this, but it's also not overpowering, and it really does remind me of spring, because in the spring I do a lot of spring baking, and this is just reminding me exactly of that. The next perfume I got is called Slice of Heaven. Again, beautiful packaging, very classy, very elegant, and this one is focused on caramelized vanilla latte infused with sweet and fruity florals, which is more of what I was talking about before, that like floral scent that really reminds me of spring, and smells amazing. It's a very light floral scent, and I think it's not overpowering, which is something that I really appreciate, because I don't like when a perfume is so overpowering, if that makes sense, and this one definitely isn't. Overall, it smells like a caramel vanilla latte cake, but with a little bit of floral glance. And then the last one I got is this White Flowers perfume. This one has green tea and berries. It also has white flowers and rose, and then it has a little bit of caramel and vanilla. Again, beautiful bottle. I think that all these bottles are so cute and would be adorable displayed in my room, which I cannot wait to do. And for a little sample, it smells amazing. It's very light, it's not overpowering, and it really is reminding me of that perfect floral scent. I think overall, if I had to rate these, I would rate this my first favorite, because it's just reminding me the most of spring right now. I would rate this vanilla one my second one, because it honestly smells so good, exactly like a vanilla cake in the kitchen and vanilla extract. And then this one would be my third favorite, but don't get me wrong, they're all amazing, and I would highly recommend every single one of them. I think for today, I really want to wear the Slice of Heaven perfume, because it's one that's really standing out to me right now and really reminding me of spring. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. I will say that with a lot of perfumes, a little goes a long way. For this, I feel like 3 little pumps is great, and it's long lasting on my body, which is amazing, because I don't like when scents just go away really fast, and Dossier's definitely does not. And now that I have my little scent on for the day, thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this portion of the video. I will have, again, everything linked down below. And let's go check my cake, because the timer is going off. Coffee cake is out of the oven. It smells very good. I'm just waiting for it to cool, and then we're gonna put the icing on top. For my outfit, I'm thinking something a little bit like floral and springy. So I have these jeans, which are from Old Navy. They are just a straight cut jean, which I think would look cute with Air Forces. And then for a little top, I have this cute yellow top. As you can tell, I really like yellow, and I think it looks so cute. And it's definitely a spring color because of that like pastel vibe. So I think I'm gonna wear this with Air Forces and those jeans. This is from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks, because I was gonna keep my sweatshirt on, but now I'm sweating again because the oven was on. So let me put this little outfit on. Hopefully that helps. I feel like this looks really cute, but I do think that my hair has to come out for it, and I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry in order to curl it, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, my hair looks crazy. Definitely need to wait for it to dry, but I think down is the move. And then I'm gonna just put on my little Dossier Slice of Heaven. Beautiful. Here's the little outfit. I think it's so cute, really reminding me of spring, and I just paired it with some Air Forces. I think the coffee cake is pretty much cooled, and I'm literally so hungry, so I'm going to put the icing on top and make a little coffee to go with it. I am so excited to try this. I think it's gonna be so good, and it honestly was so easy to make, which is always great. Let me make my little coffee and put my cold foam on top, which I'm gonna make pink. I just put the icing on my coffee cake. I think it looks so good. And then I have my flower mug with coffee, and I made the cold foam pink. I think this is so cute, and now I'm gonna try it. Hi, can I have the grande iced lavender cold foam cream matcha, but instead of oat milk, can I do 2%, please? Thank you. Have a good one. You too. I ended up curling my hair, and I also had to change my jeans because I spilled the cold foam that I put food coloring in to make it pink all over my pants, and it stained them. So I had to change my jeans, but I think my hair looks pretty good. I do want to do like a little spring photo shoot, and I thought it would be a cute idea to get a nice little fun drink, so I got a matcha. This is a grande iced lavender cold foam matcha, but instead of oat milk, I got it with 2% milk because I can't have oat milk, and it's really good. I want to try and take a car picture with it and do like a little fun photo shoot, because I feel like with my shirt and the green, this could look really pretty. I've been seeing so many cute spring car photos. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it by myself, but I thought it would be at least a good idea to try, so we're gonna gonna try. I already went to Starbucks, obviously, and I did get a straw because I thought that could be cute too. So I'm gonna do some with the straw, some without. I really wish I had sunglasses, but I don't have them on me. So I'm just gonna try my best. I just spent an hour with this drink trying to get a good photo. Haven't even drank it yet other than one sip, and I literally cannot get a good photo. I think I need somebody to be with me, like, to take the photo because I was using self-timer and it's just not working. I really did try though. I'll put a few of the pictures on the screen. We'll see if I can make any of them work, but that's besides the point. I still had fun doing it, and the overall point of today is self-care and feeling my best and doing things that are gonna make me happy, and it was fun to do. So maybe didn't get the best photo, but I tried my best. Now we're gonna go to the mall. I really want to go to Hollister. I did this in one of my other videos, but they didn't have the one thing that I wanted. So I want to go back to the mall and see if I can find this floral top that I really want. So let's go to the mall and do a little spring shopping. Shopping is just something that really makes me so happy, and it's a little retail therapy that I think I deserve. So we're gonna go to the mall. Later now, I went to Hollister and Garage. I only got some stuff from Hollister. I'm actually really excited about what I got. I had a little clip in the video of me trying on these jeans. They were camo jeans. I really liked them, but they were way too long, so I ordered those online in the short length version. I got the same size because the waist fit, it was just the pants were too long, so I ordered those online, so those are coming. I got a sweatshirt because I had the yellow one that I was wearing before, and it's just such a soft material, so I got an oversized pink one as well. I think this is so stinking cute. I love the flowers on it, and it's really screaming summer to me. And then they did not have what I was looking for, the tube top, but they did have this really pretty one, so I ended up getting this one, which I thought was really cute and could look cute with like jeans or a skirt. And then I also got this oversized off the shoulder tee. I love this so much. This says Miami Beach. This is actually the back, and then the front also says Miami Beach, and I think it's really cute. It also fits really nicely, so I was excited about this as well. I sized up in this one because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized, so I got it in a medium, but I think it looks cute. That is everything I got from Hollister. I didn't get anything from Garage because I don't really need anything else. I was really just looking for that tube top in Hollister, but I couldn't find it. Now I'm gonna go on a little walk by a lake in my town, and honestly, there's just something about being outside in nature that makes me so happy, and I love going on walks. I really wish that the cherry blossoms were blooming right now, but they're not. But I'm just gonna imagine they are and just go on a little quick walk because I know it's gonna make me happy. Just got home from my little walk, and honestly it was so refreshing. It hit 65 degrees when I was on my walk, and it just felt so nice. I just put on this cute little dress. I'm going to brunch in Montclair with my mom, and I think it looks so cute. I got this from TJ Maxx, and I love wearing little dresses in the spring because it makes me happy and really gets me into that spring spirit. So this is the little outfit for brunch. Got home from brunch a little while ago. It was such a nice time. I went with my mom and we just had a lot of fun laughs. The food was so good. I got a burger and my mom got an omelet, and it was just a very wholesome time and really did remind me of spring and just got my mood feeling so much better. I think that's going to be it for this video. I am going to make a cake, but I'm gonna make it in a different video because this video is already a little long. Thank you again to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Again, I will have everything linked down below, and be sure to shop this week because again, you can get up to 40% off for fragrance week, which is amazing, and that ends on March 23rd. So definitely be sure to check them out. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.